So now we've done the idler arm on the truck, oil change. Seems to be running decent. We fixed the knock sensor problem and the starter problem. But I noticed that the map sensor is kind of broken. The top and bottom are separating, which is going to allow it to corrode inside. Maybe it already has, not sure. So picked one of those up, and the map sensor might make it run just a little bit better. Either way, I know the map sensor will not last with the housing split in two, especially in our climate. So that's what we're gonna do. Clean off that seat bump up there too.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so I removed the air cleaner assembly. I even moved the tube, or the riser for the air cleaner. The map sensor is located right back here on this truck. It's got one wire connector and one vacuum line. I would check your vacuum line before you spend the money on a map sensor. In this case, it's got a 90-degree rubber boot with a plastic hose and a 45-degree rubber boot on the back. So that one's easy for me to get off right now. I'm just going to take that one off, try to unplug this. Right, and now I just got to figure out how this comes off because I do not remember.
There's like a little pin right there, something like a screw that holds it in. It looks like there's supposed to be multiple screws.
Don't know.
Probably all gone.
It just pulls up off of that.
It looks like there's screws that are supposed to hold it on there, though.
No, that's just a nest.
That's just a what?
A nest.
On the back of the plate?
Right here.
Yeah. So
It's your favorite friends.
Oh, no. What is it? What is it? Spiders. Ooh.
Alright.
They did.
So
From the...
it's got just locking tabs, 4 little tabs on each side. So mine just pulls straight up. I'm assuming it's been on and off a million times. So we'll go with that. But it's all good. Alright. The rubber boots are in good shape.
Oh, you put the hose back on there.
Yeah, it doesn't come with a hose. So if your hose is bad, ironically, you can still get those in the help section. Alright, another thing too to mention, your old connectors and stuff, it'll be easy for them to get corroded and broken at the connector especially. Mine look like they're in good shape. I don't have any broken insulation. Can't see what I'm doing.
Switch me spots.
So, try to get this plug-in on.